The Instagram accounts you see earn $10,000 a month. Do you want to know how they make money? They make money by selling ebooks. In this video, I will show you how to grow such an Instagram account fast and how to write an ebook with ChatGPT in seconds. Thanks to this method, you can earn more than $10,000 per month. All I ask is that you watch the video to the end and like the video. If you are ready, let's go to the video. Let's find a topic for our Instagram account first. I'll choose the motivation and success topic in this video. The reason I chose this topic is that it is easy and fast to prepare videos. Let's determine the account name first. For example, it could be Success Secret. After creating our account, we start producing videos. Don't worry, because you will be able to make videos in seconds. For example, we download luxury car videos from YouTube. Then you can use the CapCut application, which is free and easy to use. We put the video in the background and add an interesting text on top. You can look at the videos of other channels for a video idea. After quickly preparing the video, we upload it to Instagram Reels. Remember, you should upload 2 to 3 Reels per day for the growth of your Instagram account. I am sure that it won't even take you 20 minutes to make the 3 video. If you continue to post videos regularly, some of your videos will be watched a lot and your account will grow day by day. Don't forget, if you want your account to grow, you should post videos constantly. After the number of followers of the account increases, you can share ads for a fee if you want, or you can write an ebook in seconds with ChatGPT and start earning tens of thousands of dollars a month. If you are ready, let me tell you how you can write an ebook with ChatGPT. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. First of all, let's find a title for our book. For this, we want a title suggestion from ChatGPT. If you don't like the title, ask him to write more titles and choose one of these titles. Even if ChatGPT is very smart, you should include details in the questions you ask. So don't tell ChatGPT to write an ebook. Divide your question into parts to get better quality answers. To do this, we create the outline structure. As you can see, we have created a base to start our book. Write all the titles one by one. If you want, you can also put a visual in your book. Copy and paste all the text to the Microsoft Word, then save the ebook as a PDF file. And now you are ready, your book is ready. All you have to do is advertise the book. You can sell your book on these sites you see. Look at all of them and decide which one you want to sell. I chose the selfie.com. First of all, we create an account and write the name of our store. Then we select the digital download option. We choose the category. I chose the education category. I'm choosing an audience number, assuming you've grown your Instagram account. And our trial version starts. Verify your email. Now we can add our first product. We are uploading the PDF file we saved. You can get help from ChatGPT to write the description. We are putting up a product photo. I will put the Instagram logo. Then we write down and put the price of the product. As you can see, our product is active. Now your Instagram followers can buy it. Copy the link of your product and paste it into your Instagram account. After creating a product link, you can advertise this link on your Instagram account. Remember, the more followers you have, the more your ebook will sell. You can promote your product at the end of the Reels videos you share. Remember that growing an Instagram account is a time-consuming task, but thanks to Reels, you can speed up this process. You don't need to be limited to Instagram. You can also start creating content on platforms such as TikTok. Just don't forget to put the link of the ebook in the description section of your account. In this way, you will be able to earn tens of thousands of dollars per month. In the comments section, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for your country. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. We are showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.